Hello everybody and welcome to your weather today, and this is Elite Weather Forecasting. I'm your meteorologist, Mr. G, and if you're tuning in on TikTok and YouTube, thanks for watching, and here we go as we talk about your Monday weather forecast as we have a couple of areas of concern that we're going to talk about tonight. And let's get started with our Monday morning forecast map, and here we are. We're going to be looking at a kind of a rainy day here to start your day down across Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, and northwestern Georgia. I think the Atlanta area will be just inside of this area of rainfall, so you guys could be seeing some showers tomorrow morning. No thunderstorms expected or no severe weather, just regular rainfall, as those temperatures will be in the 40s tomorrow morning. And a few more showers is going to be possible over here over far eastern Texas and western Louisiana. So if you're in Monroe or you're in Beaumont, Texas, you might be seeing some showers tomorrow, and even Houston might pick up a shower tomorrow morning as well. Florida is going to have a nice morning to start your day off with those morning temperatures in the 60s, and we're going to be seeing a little bit of a mild up, not really call it a warm up across the eastern Great Lakes in the northeast, but a mild up because those winds are going to shift from the southwest toward the northeast, so we're going to be seeing things get a little bit more mild here. We're going to see temperatures in the 40s tomorrow morning, so a nicer start to your day tomorrow. But on the west coast, that's where our big snowstorm is, and we have a few areas of low pressure. One here, we have one there, and another one here that's providing some of that snowfall that we're seeing all throughout the central Rockies and the northern Rockies high plains, and again across the Sierra Nevada and the southern sections of the Cascade Mountain Range. So northern California, southern Oregon, going to be picking up some of that snow, and some of you guys could be picking up quite a bit of snow, especially through the Sierra Nevada and portions of the southern Rockies tomorrow morning. And in the evening hours, that snow is going to continue here across the central Rockies. That rainfall right along the California coastline of the northern California, north of the Bay Area, and a few more snowflakes there around Mount Shasta and Lassen Volcanic. So some snow for the northern Sierras and those mountain ranges there in northern California, and a few more snow showers here across the high plains of Montana, just coming into the picture of the Dakota. So North Dakota, your far western edge, might pick up some of that snow tomorrow night. A little bit more rainfall will congeal here across the southeast. So if you're in North Carolina, South Carolina, North Georgia, Mississippi, and Alabama, and portions of Tennessee, Kentucky, you might see some of those rain showers in Arkansas as well, southern Missouri. So south of St. Louis, you're going to be seeing those rain showers. But Little Rock is going to see those rain showers, and Nashville and Memphis will see those rain showers, as well as in Lexington, Kentucky, we'll be dealing with some rain showers. Those rain showers will say east of you folks in Charlotte, but if you're in the Greenville area, you might pick up some of those rain showers across the southeast tomorrow. Columbia and Charleston, South Carolina could see some of those rain showers as well. As we take a look at our next map, and this is going to be our upper air pattern that we're going to be seeing through the day tomorrow. And what we have going on is this huge trough in the jet stream way out here off the Pacific coast, and it's dropping down here just off the coast of California before it zooms inland, and we're going to be seeing those high-speed winds zoom across the nation as we have a zonal pattern from west to east across the nation's midsection here. And what this means is that these storm systems, these big areas of low pressure, will come down the jet stream and then kind of stall out right in this region here off the central California coast as they turn the trough of the base of the trough and then head on out toward the northeast and zoom across the plains and toward the Great Lakes with these fast moving storms. But the good thing about these storms is that we're going to be seeing some of these fast moving areas of low pressure about every day and a half, but they will be fast moving and they won't be packing a whole lot of punch, except when this mean trough swings through. Then we could see a significant storm, especially more of a southern stream storm. But in the meantime, while we're waiting for that to happen, we're going to be seeing a lot of minor systems zipping along this upper air pattern, as these storms won't be packing a lot of moisture and they won't be changing the temperatures dramatically, and they won't be packing a lot of wind because they won't have the energy behind them as they zip on through. Now, as we take a look at those storm systems, those individual areas of low pressure out there across the west, we have an area of low pressure here across the central Rockies that's spreading snow through Colorado, Utah, and Nevada, and into California. Then we have our stronger low that's spreading snow across Montana and over the border into Manitoba. So we're going to be seeing that snow in Calgary and Edmonton, and another very weak storm system out here across the northern plains that may spread a little bit of snow tomorrow morning across southern Minnesota and central and southern Wisconsin tomorrow. But we're talking about a dusting to a half inch of snow at the most out here across the plains. But we could pick up to 18 inches more snow in California, but about 5 to 6 inches of snow in this area respectively. So that is a look at that forecast for tomorrow. Now let's talk about that snow across the Sierra Nevadas. And what we could see here is up to another 12 to 18 inches in a few isolated spots here across northern California, north of Truckee and near the Belgian area, where we could pick up a few areas that could pick up as much as 18 additional inches of snow on top what has already fallen. We'll see lighter snowfall totals down to the southwest of the southeast here. We're talking about another 6 to 8 inches as you get further down toward the southeast there. So until yet another snowy day on tap for the Sierra Nevada mountain range. And then the other problem with this storm is that this snow is very wet and it's fresh powder, so it hasn't had time to settle. We haven't had it to compress yet. Its weight hasn't compressed in on itself, so it's pretty light and fluffy sitting up there. So we're going to be seeing a elevated risk for avalanche until the snow settles down on the surface. So in the Sierra Nevadas, we could be seeing a snow and avalanche warning likely. So a greater risk for avalanche because they've had such huge snowfall totals. The last 2 or 3 storms have dumped at least 2 feet or more of snow. So a very good start to the snow season across California, and we're going to be seeing another chance for some avalanche conditions here in the I consider this to be the touristy area of Colorado: Steamboat Springs, Colorado Springs, Glenwood Springs, Aspen. A lot of your ski resorts are in this area. So we're going to be having that risk here of those ski lifts in those zones that could be dealing with those avalanche. So please be careful if you're out enjoying the mountains and the snow, and be watchful because they can change in an instant. Avalanche move very, very fast, much like a pyroclasmic flow during a volcanic eruption, and they can move up to 200 miles per hour down the cliff or the side of a mountain. So it can be very dangerous, and conditions can change quite rapidly. That'll do it for this weather forecast. My name is Mr. G. This is Elite Weather, and thank you for watching Your Weather Today.